Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today we are going to see some concepts of structural engineering. Basically, it is a part of advanced concrete technology. In advanced concrete technology, we have a concrete method known as pre-stressed concrete, short form for PSC. You must have been seen of this type of concrete method in various kinds of constructions. Like you must have been aware of the fact that PSC girders are being used in the construction of bridges. PSC pre-stressed concrete slabs are being used somewhere around the world. Now let's understand what is a pre-stressed concrete. Now pre-stressed concretes, by the name of it only, it explains that pre-stressed means it is being stressed before the application of load. Now how it is being stressed and how the mechanism works, we are going to see this now. Now assume we have a beam. We apply load at the top of the beam. At the top of the beam, top half of the beam, we have the compression. At the bottom of the beam, we have tension. Now the concrete is good in compression, but it is bad in tension, as we all know. Now to increase the tensile strength and to reduce the cracks, we need to compensate the tensile strength with the compression force. Now if a tensile force is acting in this direction, the compression force has to act in opposite direction to compensate the result and to maintain equilibrium in the beam. Now to do this, we need to install some tendons called, or basically some wires in the beam. We install these wires in the beam, and through the mechanism of stretching, we stretch the tendons, and then we pour the concrete. After stretching the tendons, when we release them, there are compression stresses induced at the bottom of the beam. Now when we apply these beams at a particular location, and when the load comes from the top, these compressive stresses do, they compress the concrete when a load is applied on in them, and these pre-induced stresses act in a opposite direction to the as I told you, with respect to the tensile strength. So they compensate the whole mechanism, and the strength of the concrete increases at a very high level. You must have been aware that pre-stressed concrete is used widely around NHAI projects, and in very large when we have to construct a long bridge, or when the span between two columns is too large, say 30 meters or 25 meters, the PSC girders are to be installed at a particular location. The feasibility also is very nice, because we don't have to cast the concrete at a certain level. Say if I have to install a girder at a height of 20 or 35 meter above the ground, I cannot put a shuttering over there. So these PSC girders are very useful in casting also. These are installed by crane, and where these girders rest are basically at a bearing. Bearing is a rubber kind of a structure, or a rubber kind of a padding, which is above the pier cap. So above the pier cap, we have the this PSC girder placing. Now these are the basically simply supported kind of a structure. So it is very feasible. We don't have to cast anything, or we don't have to the shuttering cost reduces, the labor cost reduces. We just have, we have to provide a certain kind of labor for crane and all, but it is very feasible and very good in strength. Thank you everyone for watching.